Welcome to all. I am Gurunath Karat. We'll start Geography class 9th chapter 4, that is climate. In the second chapter, you have read about landform of our country. In this chapter, you will learn about the atmospheric condition that prevail over our country. It means about the climate of India. Dear student, in this chapter there are 7 subtopics. First one is differences between climate and weather. Second one, factors affecting India's climate. Third one, the Indian monsoon. Fourth one, the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Fifth one, the season. And sixth one is distribution of rainfall. And the last, seventh one is monsoon as unifying bond. Dear student, today I am going to cover only first subtopic, that is differences between climate and weather. In a climate, first one, climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. It means the sum total of variety of weather condition of an area or a place. Thus, climate may be defined simply as average weather. The terms climate denotes a description of aggregate weather condition. In a weather refers to the state of the atmospheric over an area at any point of time. Now, second point, in a climate is recorded for a long period of time, that is more than 30 years. The World Meteorological Organization has suggested a standard period of 31 years for calculating the climate average of a different weather elements. In a weather, second point, weather data are recorded on daily basis, that is a few hours or a few days. Now, third point, in a climate, it is also includes common deviations from the average as well as the extreme condition. And in weather is highly variables. Now the fourth ones, in a climate, it may be defined as the sum of the all statistic weather information of a particular area during a specified interval of a time. And in weather, it is constantly change, sometimes from hour to hour and at other time from day to day. The aforementioned properties of the atmospheric and subject to constant change, and their state at any time determines the state of the weather. However, weather elements are not separate, rather than the closely related with to each other. The elements of weather and climates are same. The first one, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These all are the elements of weather and climates. Dear student, you may have observed that the weather condition fluctuate very often even within a day. But there is some common pattern over a few weeks or a month, that is, days are cold or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet to dry. On the basis of generalification, monthly atmospheric condition of a year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer, and rainy. Second part of this chapter is climatic controls. This chapter, subtopic of this chapter, I will cover in a next part of this chapter.